17 in Santa Cruz Mountains, but it stopped for several hours this morning when snow started falling there again. ABC 7's Noel Cisneros shows us.
At daybreak, Highway 17, the canary in the coal mine for the Bay Area's flirtation with winter, fulfills its promise as the snowiest, slipperiest, most often closed stretch of roadway.
It never snows in California.
Well, you can't say never anymore.
Well, this is the first time it's ever snowed.
Turn your vehicles around and go back down the hill. You cannot get through.
CHP closed 17 for nearly 3 hours Sunday morning because of heavy snowfall. Accidents were actually few and far between. Caltrans kept the roadway sanded, plowed, patrolled, despite rapidly changing conditions.
It's actually my head. And when it gets colder, I tell the guys, hey, get in the trucks and get ready to start plowing.
Russ Ellingworth is the Caltrans maintenance supervisor on Highway 17.
The weather is so hard to predict. You know what I mean? It was like Friday. The sun was out brighter than this. You could see blue sky. Within a half hour, we had this tremendous snowstorm. Within 45 minutes of that, the road was closed. It came down that quick. It could happen right now.
20 minutes after our sunshine interview with Ellingworth, the weather changed for the third time in 4 hours. This time, driving rain pelted the snow accumulated at the summit. A lot of drivers might not be aware that underneath Highway 17 there are actually springs, and when that water percolates up through the roadway in this cold weather, the driving can be slick even without the snow. Slick conditions or not, the summit was packed with snow tourists eager for a brush with winter, happy to pick their way through a slush fest and roll up a rock and snowman. How did you find the driving?
It was good. It was no problem.
Do you know what to do in snow?
This one.
Stay away from my kids.
Don't like the weather and driving conditions? Slow down. If you drive slowly enough, the weather might change before you get there. In Santa Cruz, Noel Cisneros, ABC 7 News.
And the storm is dumping more rain on the Bay Area as it is moving out.